Hi, I'm Scott Bujo, Vice President of Clinical Operations and Allied Services for Professional Physical Therapy. As children become more active in sports, there's a higher incidence of injuries. Now, while most injuries occur during games, there's actually a greater chance of injuries during practices when children are practicing their skills over and over. The good news, however, if children are trained with the appropriate strength, flexibility, balance, and agility exercises, they can decrease the likelihood of injuries by up to 50%. That's why Professional has created an injury prevention program specifically designed for young athletes. Injured athletes can't play the sport they love, so our program will help reduce the risk of injuries and keep them on the field. Throughout this video, we will show you a series of exercises with instructions on how to perform them correctly. The exercises in this video will focus on a dynamic warm-up, plyometrics, strengthening, and we'll also show you the appropriate way to cool down after your workout's complete. And now, I'd like to introduce you to Dean Matalone, the director of the Professional Athletic Performance Center, a 20,000 square foot state-of-the-art facility. Dean will be taking you through all the exercises in this video.
Thank you, Scott. To complete the exercises in this video, you will need the following items: mini band, green cord, cones, and a foam roller.
Hi, my name is Carlos Mejia. I'm the Director of Coaching for FC Westchester Elite. By following this video, you will achieve your goals.
All right, guys, so what we're going to do, we're going to start off with a dynamic warm-up. Basically, what we're going to do is we're going to work on this for your coordination, flexibility of your arms. So what I want to make sure is that you open up your legs wide, shoulder and arms go directly over your head. All right, we're going to do 10 reps. Okay, ready? Go. Good. Always want to make sure that your arms go directly over your head. Do not shortchange it. Okay. Okay, good. The next one we're going to do is a prisoner squat. Basically what you're going to do is you're going to put your hands behind your head, feet shoulder width apart, okay? You're going to squat down, make sure your knees do not go over your toes and your heels come up. Hips got to go straight back and then right back up. 10 of them. Ready? Go. Good. Up tall. Good. Drive your heels into the ground. Again, warming up your quads, your hamstrings, getting you ready to decelerate and change direction. Let's move it to the back now. Okay, this next one's called a walking hamstring kick. Okay, what you want to do is you want to go opposite arm, opposite leg. What you do not want to do is same arm, same leg. You don't want to lean forward as well. Okay, we're going to go 10 yards. This is going to help warm up your hamstrings. Ready? Go. Good, going 10. Good, let's turn it around. Same thing going back. The next one we're going to do is a walking quad pull. Again, working the muscles in the front of your thigh. Kick up, pull back. Kick up, pull back. Okay, ready? Go. Going 10 yards. Do not lean too far forward, Joe. Just kick up. Stay up nice and tall. Stay up nice and tall. Kick up, pull back, alternate legs. Good. Stay up nice and tall. Going to do the same thing going back. Okay, guys, the next thing we're going to do is a walking lunge. You're going to step forward, straight down, come right back up. Step forward, come down, right back up. You don't want to let your knees go over your toes. Don't let your heel come up. Do not lean your body too far forward. Okay, ready? Go. Good. Stay nice and controlled. Good. That's it. Good. Coming back, we're going to do the same thing. You're going to lunge. This time you're going to take your hands over your head. Lunge, hands over your head. Ready? Go. Again, keep good form. Body up nice and tall. All right. That concludes the first phase of our dynamic warm-ups. Second phase of the dynamic warm-up are called ground base. So guys, what I want you to do is I want you to get down on your back. Okay, you're going to bend both your knees. While laying down, knees here. One leg is going to be the same height as your opposite knee. Okay, toes pointed towards you. You're going to drive your hips up, slowly lower them back down. Okay, you're going to do 10 on your right, 10 on your left. Okay, so let's start right leg out. good, toes pointed towards you. Right up, okay, going 10. Slow and controlled coming down. This is going to help develop some of the muscles in your hips, your glutes, and your hamstrings. It's important to develop these muscles to stay strong when you're cutting, change your direction, and decelerating. Okay, once you're done with that, you're going to go onto your left side. Okay, arms going to be out in front. You want to keep your shoulders, your hips, your knees in line. So you're here, and what you're going to do is you're just going to keep your feet together, rotate up, rotate right back down, rotate up, right back down. You're going to go 10 on your right, 10 on your left. Just go as far as you can go without rotating your upper body. Should feel this right in your glutes, right on your hip. Again, to help develop the strength in that hip. To advance this exercise a little bit more, let's put this band right around above your knee. Okay, again, same motion, without rotating your shoulders, stay up. Just go as high as you can. You're going to feel that resistance, all right? You're going to go 10 on your right, 10 on your left. If you feel it's too hard, we can always decrease the resistance by using a lighter band. Always start off with a lighter resistance, work your way up to the heaviest resistance, which this is. All right, guys, let's take that down. Okay, the last exercise for ground base is called an inchworm. This is going to help to increase some flexibility in your calves and your hamstrings. You're going to lay on your belly. Okay, starting from here, going into a push-up position. You're going to walk your feet in, try to drive your heels down into the ground, feel the stretch in the back of your legs. Once you feel that stretch, walk your hands out, walk your feet in. Heels down, hold for a count of 3. Going out forward. We're going to go 5 yards, turn around, do the same thing back. Okay? Okay, walk the feet in, get your heels down, try to push those heels down. Good, walk it out, all right? Try to get those heels down. Touch the heels into the ground, good. Go ahead, go forward. Okay, you should feel it's all in the back of your calves, hamstrings. Again, we're just trying to work on flexibility to get you loose before you start playing. The third phase of the dynamic warm-up is called movement drills. You do each exercise one time just to get your heart rate up and break a little bit of a sweat. So the first exercise is called a skip or an A skip. Okay, what I want to see is I want to see opposite arm, opposite leg, driving your heel underneath your butt, toes up. Okay, we're going to go 10 yards. Ready? Go. Okay, this is working coordination, getting you prepared to run. Knee coming up. The next one we're going to do is a side shuffle. You're going to face that direction. You're going to stay in a good defensive stance. Okay, keeping your feet shoulder width apart. Staying low, hips back, just pushing off your outside leg. Going 10 yards, hold for a second, and then go back. Ready? Stay low. Go. Hold, and then go back. Go. Good. The next one is a back pedal. Okay, with the back pedal, you want to make sure you maintain a good center of gravity, leaning nose over your toes, hips back, staying low. Pump your arms, stand on the balls of your feet. Going 10 yards. Okay, ready? Go. Okay, the next one's called a karaoke, or you call them grapevines. What you're doing is we're working on footwork, going quick, back and forth. All rotation comes from the hip. Try to keep your upper body nice and still. Okay, we're going to go 10 yards. We're going to go opposite, back and forth, just turning from your hips. Ready? Go. Good. The next one we're going to do is the final one. We're going to work on movement. You're going to sprint 5 yards. Back pedal 5 yards, sprint to the 10-yard line, break down and hold. When you guys break down and hold, you want to make sure you're in a good defensive position. Stay low on the back pedal as well. Go. Good. Go. Break down, hold. Good. The next exercise we're going to do is proprioception. This helps to increase balance and awareness of where your body is in space. I'm going to have you guys demonstrate some exercises that will help develop you the strength in your hips, your knees, and your ankle. So our first exercise we're going to do is a single leg stance, and we're going to pass the ball back and forth. So what you're going to do is you're going to both stand on your right leg. Okay, just going to pass it, put a slight bend in your knee, pass it back and forth. Ready? Go. Now you can go for 15 passes or you can go for time, usually 30 seconds. Okay. You can do the same pass except cross your body now. Go. Okay. Key with this makes it a little bit more difficult. You got to prevent your knee from turning in, losing control. Next one we're going to do, you're going to face each other, standing on your right leg. All you're going to do is just a pass with the ball with your opposite foot. So stand on your right, just going to constantly pass back and forth. All right, do not let your left foot touch the ground. Just nice and easy. Ready? Go. Again, you can go for 15 passes or you can go for time. Next one we're going to do is called the star drill. Standing on your left leg, you're going to reach forward, side, and back. Side, forward. That's one. We're going to do 5 on your right and then go 5 on your left. Ready? Go. Don't worry about touching the cone. Just make sure you bend your knee a little bit. Get your hips back. Don't keep your legs stiff. Make sure your knee bends a little bit. Reach back. Now to make it a little bit difficult, again, you guys use the resistance that you feel comfortable. Always start off with the lightest, work your way up to the heaviest. Okay, same thing again. Front, side, back. Ready, go. Stay with it. Okay, once you're done, switch it over to the other side. Doing plyometric exercises help prevent injury by increasing the strength in your hips, your lower leg, your knees, and your ankle. It just helps you in being explosive, being able to jump higher, move quicker. All right, so the first thing we want to start on is we're going to go up onto our toes and going to go drop into a good defensive stance. This is going to help with decelerating and change your direction. Okay, ready? Going to go up, drop. Good. Go up, drop. Good. You want to make sure that you've got a good base of support. And when you drop down, your knees don't buckle in. Ready? Up, drop. Good. Keep those hips back. 2 more. Up, drop. Good. 1 more. Up, drop. All right. Good. The next one we're going to do is a tuck jump. What you're going to do is you're going to jump up and land nice and soft, good solid position. Okay, ready? Jump. Good. Jump. We're going to do 5 of these. Good. That's 2. Jump. That's 3. Good. Jump. Good. Jump. Good. Now consecutive 5 jumps. So you're here, so hit. Right up, nice and quick, going 5 in a row. Ready, go. Good. All right, the next one we're going to do, we're going to jump, stick, and land. Okay? All you're going to do is you're going to go from here, arms back, chest up tall, throw your arms forward, and land. Throw your arms, bring your arms back, jump forward again. So we're going to go 3 in a row. You're going to jump, stick, and land, jump, stick, and land, jump, stick, and land. We're going to try to go 10 yards. Jump when I tell you to jump. Okay, ready? Jump. Go for distance. Good. Ready? Jump. Good. Ready? Jump. Good. Okay, the next one we're going to do is a lateral jump. So you're going to face this way. You're going to shift your body to your left, push off, and land. Okay? Shift to the left, push off, and land. Ready? Jump. Good. Always landing in good defensive position, soft feet. Going again. Ready? Jump. Good. Ready? Jump. Good. What you're going to do is from here, you're going to start on your left. You're going to jump, stick, hold on your right. Push back, hold on your left. Okay? What I want to see is I want to make sure that your hips sit back, hold that position. Okay? So we're going to start on our right foot, jumping to our left. Jump. Good. jump, 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 jump. Good, rest. It's important to strength train to help develop the muscles in your quads, your hamstrings, and your hips to be more explosive and to protect the knee to prevent any injury. The first one's going to be Oregon lean. So what you're going to do is in between the cones, you're going to get into a good defensive stance. Okay, from here, hips back. You're going to shift your weight over, just reach for the cone, keep your feet flat, shift right back over the other way. Chest tall, back and forth. Just preparing your muscles to change directions. Ready? Go. Side to side, good. Always start off with the cones nice and close. As you become better at it, you can extend them out a little bit further. You should feel the strength in your hips. Back and forth. Good. And what you're going to do is you're going to go 5 to each side. As you get better, you can bring it up to 10. Next one we're going to do is a split squat. Again, to strengthen your quads and your hamstrings. So you're in a good position right here. Just going to go down, right back up. Down, right back up. You want to make sure that your knee does not go that forward over to your toes. Drop your hips straight down. Drive your heel into the ground as you come up. Let's go 5 on your right, 5 on your left. Ready? Go. Driving your heels into the ground. Good. So what we're going to do is to make this a little bit more advanced. Once you get strong in your legs, starting from here, it's going to go to a quick split. All right, so you're here, quick split. Okay, come back up. Quick split. Right back up. Okay, let's go 5 on your right, then we'll go 5 on your left. Just go nice and easy. Don't let your legs go way too far back. Feel for it first. Okay, ready. Split. Good, back up. Split. Good, back up. Split. Good, back up. Split. Good, back up. One more. Split. Good, back up. Next one we're going to do is a 3-way lunge. So you're here, you're going to step forward, to the side, coming back. Okay, that's 1. Okay, let's go 5 on your right, 5 on your left. Again, what you're looking for is you want to make sure you're up tall. As you lunge, straight down. When you go to the side, foot stays flat, body stays in midline. Coming back, as you go backwards, again, staying in a good position, knees not going completely over your toes. Go. You want to feel this again. You're strengthening the muscles in your quads, your hips, your hamstrings. Everything to stabilize your knee, help prevent that injury. Good, guys, good. The next exercise is a standing RDL. So you're here, chest up nice and tall, hips going back, back stays flat, get a good stretch right in the back of your legs. As you come up, you drive your heel into the ground, tighten that glute, all right? We are gonna go 5 on your right, 5 on your left, okay? Ready? Go. Chest tall, good, right back up. Don't worry about touching, just wanna feel back, feel that stretch in the back of your legs. Good, chest tall, drive that heel into the ground as you come up. All right, on this one, we're gonna do a lateral band walk. Again, keeping a good defensive stance. Feet turning straight ahead, do not let them turn out. Again, staying low, step, always leaving the tension in the band. We're gonna go 10 yards that way and then go 10 yards back. So stay low, ready, go. Step and go, good. Always keep that tension in the band, guys. Okay. The next one I want you to do, keeping the bands on, facing that way, we're going to do what's called a backwards walk. Going on 45, bring that foot right past. Okay? Staying low, staying on the balls of your feet. Don't let the tension in the band get too loose. Okay, stay low, going 10 yards. Go. Good. That's it. Stay solid. Step a little bit more, 45. There you go, good. Hips stay low, good. Okay, going to turn around. Same thing going back. This is the final component of the video. This is the cool down. After any type of exercise, you want to recover a little bit. So what we're going to do, we're going to first start with the foam roll. We're going to go high up onto your hamstrings. Okay? What you're going to do is you're going to roll from the top of your knee all the way up to your butt. Back and forth. Okay? Rolling back and forth. Okay? Usually go for about 30 seconds to a minute. Always start off slow first. It's nice and easy. You should just feel a nice stretch right in the back of your legs. You might hit some spots that might be a little tight. You feel a little pressure. That's normal. Then from there, you're going to go down to your calves. Going right down to your calves. Right back and forth. Again, just rolling back and forth for about 30 seconds to a minute. Go to whole length of the calf. Get right by your Achilles. Okay. Next one we're going to do, you're going to lay on your stomach. You're going to put the foam roll right at your hips. You're going to roll your quads. Muscles go right from the top of your hips right to the top of your knee. Do not go over your knee because you don't want to induce any pain. Just back and forth. And again, if you feel a spot that's a little tight, you can spend a little bit longer time on that. You're going to go 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, the next one you're going to do is you're going to go onto your left side, onto the side of your hip. Cross your right leg over. Okay, just going to roll your IT band. Okay, just back and forth. Again, starting from the top of your hip, right to the top of your knee. Do not go over your knee. Okay. Same thing, going 30 seconds to a minute. Now I'm going to show you some stretches that you can do with the green cord. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to put one of the loops on the top of your foot. You're going to lay flat back. We're going to work on stretching out your hamstrings. All right, so pull one leg up, all the way up. Okay, you grab from the loops to give some good stretch. Try to keep your knee nice and straight. Good. You should feel that stretch right in the back of your leg. Okay, again, hold them for 30 seconds to a minute. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put a little bit more on the tip of your toes. Now we're going to try to stretch out your calves. So same thing. Bring your leg up. Okay, relax your ankle. Bring your toes towards your shin as far as they can. You should feel that stretch right in your calf. You guys feel it? You feel it? Good. Next one we're going to do is a quad stretch. Okay, over your shoulder. Again, just pulling towards you. Good. Feel a good stretch. Good, keeping your hips right in the line. There you go. Good. All right, guys, the last one you're going to do is on your back. Okay, you're going to put it on your foot. Okay, take the cord all the way out to the opposite side, pull across, and get a good stretch. It's going to get more your IT band, your piriformis a little bit. So you're up and over, keep your shoulders down. Feel the stretch. Good. Try to keep your shoulders down onto the ground.
We hope you found this video both useful and informative. We recommend performing these exercises at least 3 times a week for the best results. We'd also like to extend a special thanks to FC Westchester Elite and all of our demonstrators. If you have any questions about the exercise performed in this video or enhancing your athletic performance altogether, you can contact us at the Professional Athletic Performance Center at 516-227-2373 or at our website, www.papcstrong.com. If you currently have an injury, contact any one of our physical therapy locations in your area. Call us at 1-800-333-MyPT, or you can find us on the web at www.professionalpt.com. We wish you all great athletic success.